The challenge was to control a heterogeneous machine park made up of different manufacturers' machines and to integrate them in a software concept where CAD and ERP could also exchange data automatically via interfaces. The basis for this is the open structure in WiCAM's programming system. Any information can be forwarded at any point via the interfaces. Due to this advantage, you can use a storage system from one manufacturer and production machines from other manufacturers. At TMS, the raw material information is sent via the machines to the storage. This information comes from WiCAM's programming system. The finished sheet metal parts are also provided in digital form. The storage system knows where the finished sheet metal part should be stored after processing. This gives TMS the possibility to run the production in individual areas fully automatically, as well as to decide in which areas more automation is needed and where manual production is better. WiCAM offers the perfect basis for this because all interfaces are already available. This means that as a customer, I can choose which area is important to me, where to invest energy, and I have access to the right interfaces whenever I need them.